This was our Mt Bogong hike, starting from Eskdale Spur. No talking to camera, just a long, steady climb, changing views, and learning how to manage the mountain one step at a time. We camped the night before at Mountain Creek Campground. Nothing fancy, just enough rest before an early start. We had a quick breakfast in the morning, packed up, and got ready for what we knew was going to be a big day. And we camped by the river. Eskdale Spur doesn't ease you in. It gets steep almost immediately, and it doesn't really let up. Early on, every step feels heavy, especially in the first few 100 meters. And of course, I had to turn my watch on, where all the stats count. The climbs were relentless. I started taking small sips of Powerade roughly every 250 meters. After the first 750 meters, I figured out the rhythm. Slow pace, steady breathing, fuel early, don't wait until you are cooked. And of course, the Powerade. This was one of those moments where you stop, not because you want to, but because your legs tell you to. Hello. No worries.
Thank you.
All good. Hello, how are you? How's it up there? Good?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
You're planning to go to summit or?
Yeah, the summit.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
What the plane offers?
Yeah. The higher we climbed, the better the views became. Each break in the trees felt like a reward. It's one of those hikes where you earn every view. This is Michelle Hut, one of the emergency alpine huts maintained by Parks Victoria along the Mt Bogong routes. Hikers can even do overnight hikes in this campground. We stopped at this hut for about 10 minutes, just enough time to reset, take it in, and appreciate how far we've already climbed. Places like this remind how small you are out here. Even the toilet matters up here. It helps protect the fragile alpine environment and keeps these places usable year-round. Please make sure to bring your own toilet papers. This hut has a fire pit and basic emergency supplies. It's not for comfort, it's here for survival. In winter, when weather turns fast and alpine conditions become dangerous, huts like this can be the difference between getting out safely and not. There is a logbook inside where hikers sign in. It's not just a tradition, it can be critical if someone goes missing in these conditions. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Thank you very
Good,
much.
thank you.
Cheers.
No worries. Good luck.
Yes.
Thanks.
That's on the way.
Yeah. The final section was all about patience. The The legs are tired by this point, but the terrain opens up and the air feels different.
Oh, wow.
Every step closer to the summit builds that quiet excitement. As we got closer to the top, the landscape completely changed. Wide open alpine views, and that feeling that the hardest part is finally behind you. Moments like this make every steep section worth it.
Landing.
Mt Bogong doesn't give you anything for free, but if you respect the climb, manage your pace and stay consistent, it gives you something better: perspective. And please enjoy this video of the summit. Thank you for staying this long and watching this video.